Thembalethu resident arrested amidst crackdown on unlicensed firearms by Satori News. In a strategic move towards enhancing public safety, the Western Cape's dedicated crime-fighting authorities have made a significant arrest in Thembalethu, George. On the evening of Saturday, 20th of July 2024, a collaborative effort between the Garden Route Crime Combating Team and crime intelligence members culminated in an intelligence-driven operation that brought them to the doorstep of a 36-year-old local man. The operation commenced at approximately 23 when authorities, acting on acquired intelligence, descended upon the residence situated in Zone 8 of Thembalethu. The suspect's house became the focal point for this raid, leading to a meticulous search that uncovered a concealed handgun amongst bedding articles. The weapon, identified as a 9mm Norinco pistol, was seized along with 14 rounds of ammunition. Lacking any documentation to validate possession or licensing, the man was placed under arrest by the vigilant police members. This decisive action highlights ongoing efforts to dismantle the proliferation of illegal firearms that pose a direct risk to community safety. The illicit arms trade and unlicensed weapon ownership remain a critical area of concern, often linked to a host of violent crimes. Reflecting a zero-tolerance approach towards illegal firearms, the Western Cape Police Management has commended the team's sharpness and commitment to their duty. This acknowledgement underscores the importance placed by law enforcement on removing potential sources of violence from the streets, thereby promoting a safer environment for all residents. The suspect, now apprehended and deprived of the means to perpetuate armed offenses, is confined to police custody. The gravity of his situation will unfold during his initial court appearance at the Thembalethu Magistrates Court, slated for Monday, 22nd of July 2024. He faces charges associated with the unlawful possession of a firearm and ammunition. These considerable offenses reflect the resolve of the South African legal system to address and deter firearm-related crimes effectively. This arrest not only represents a triumph for local authorities, but also serves as a deterrent to those who may harbor or consider taking part in similar illegal activities. Upholding the law and ensuring public safety remain paramount, and this case exemplifies these principles in application. The successful seizure and arrest reinforce the perseverance of police units in disrupting criminal activities across the nation. Thank you for choosing Satori News.